Parrotfeather milfoil is an aquatic weed native to South America. It was introduced into North America in the 1890s and intentionally grown in natural areas as a source for aquatic horticulture. It quickly moved from these sites and became a serious weed pest. It is now widely naturalized throughout southern and eastern North America and is becoming increasingly problematic in the Northwest. This species typically grows in slow-moving fresh water, such as ponds, lakes, canals, and ditches, but it is occasionally found in faster-moving water of streams and rivers. It can grow in water depths from a few inches to 6 feet, but is most often found in water less than 3 feet deep. It can tolerate a wide variety of temperatures and brackish water. Parrotfeather milfoil produces large mats that impede water flow, create mosquito habitat, and displace native aquatic species. Mats significantly reduce dissolved oxygen concentrations and increase the diversity of non-native predatory fish. Parrotfeather milfoil is an aquatic perennial. In North America, this species does not produce seeds and spreads only vegetatively via its creeping stolons and through fragmentation. Stolons are brownish red, and at their nodes they produce masses of slender brown to light pink roots that anchor the stolons in the hydrosoil. New stems grow from stolon nodes in spring and throughout the growing season. Stems are stout, reddish-brown to light green, and may grow up to 6 feet long. They contain numerous air pockets visible in cross-section. At the water surface, plant growth changes as stems become extensively branched and creep along the surface, forming dense, intertwined mats from which vertical stems are produced. Parrotfeather milfoil produces two different types of leaves. Those on submersed stems occur in whorls of 4 to 6 all along the stem, and they may vary from dark green to maroon. They are 1/2 to 1.5 inches long and feather-like with 8 to 18 pairs of filament leaflets. Emergent leaves are stiffer and brighter green compared to submersed leaves. They are waxy and occur in tight whorls on vertical stems that extend up to a foot from the water surface, resembling miniature fir trees. Flowering typically occurs in spring, but sometimes fall, when tiny, white, stalkless flowers are produced in the leaf axils of emergent stems. Only female flowers occur in North America, so viable seeds are not produced. Throughout the growing season, physical disturbance and some types of chemical control can cause stems to break apart. Stem fragments containing a single node can sprout new roots. These are carried downstream, where they can form new infestations after segments become lodged against floating vegetation or stream banks. In warm climates, Parrotfeather milfoil continues to grow over winter. At extremely cold sites, stems die back to the stolons, lower stem segments, and roots. New stems resprout the following spring. There are approximately 14 water milfoil species, both exotic and native, currently present in North America. Parrotfeather milfoil differs from most by having both submersed and emergent leaves. Its submersed leaves resemble those of the exotic Eurasian water milfoil and the native northern milfoil. However, leaves of both of those species always occur in whorls of 4 rather than 4 to 6. Further differences are that the flowers of Eurasian water milfoil are tiny and pink and are produced on emergent spikes. And northern milfoil develops turions, which are specialized buds that give rise to new plants after they break free from the parent plant. Variable leaf milfoil, which is native to the southwest USA but invasive in the northwest, also has both submersed and emergent leaves. Its emergent leaves are lance-shaped and toothed, and they occur on stems that extend 6 to 8 inches out of the water.